of Hindu law, school of Hindu law, joint family and co-partnery, joint family property, separate and self-required property, karta and power of the karta. Karta explain full power of the karta. In the Hindu undivided family, the karta hold a very unique position. Full stop. The Shui journey's nature of the karta is with regard to the varied power he hold while discharging this function. Full stop. Decision he is the decision maker in various respect of the family functionality. Full stop. The karta is considered to be a person with control capacity, but within this outline he hold in a enormously important position of the responsibility. Importance of the responsibility. Who can be a karta? Hindu law believe that the senior most co-partner is the karta of the family. Hindu law believe that the senior most co-partner, co-partner is the karta of the family. Refer case of the Srima SHREEAM Srima Versi Krishnamma 1957. Any co-partner become karta of the family because of this seniority, not because of anyone. Point him. Full stop. In Menam Varsi Gyani, it was held that the such a person till he live continue has the karta of the family, although he may be age handicapped, weak or ill हो गया, weak or ill. However, any karta, if he become unsound mind, then the senior most co-partner would become the karta. Whether a junior most co-partner become karta, generally he does not happen. But in a case of the Narendra Kumar Varsi Income Tax Commissioner 1976, it was held that a junior co-partner can be the karta with the consent or agreement of all the co-partner. Whether mother can become the karta. In case of Pandurang Varsi, Pandurang 1947, it was held by the Nagpur High Court that the mother can be become karta if there is no other adult co-partner. Full stop. The Supreme Court does not agree to this view in case of the Commissioner of the Income Tax versus Seth Govindram 1966. The full stop. The karta of the joint Hindu family at a, at a time can only be one person and not more, but with the consent of the other co-partner, there can be more than one karta. In case of the Mudit versus Ranglal, Ranglal, Ranglal and Shankar 1943. Power of the management. The power of the management of the karta are absolute. Absolute. Power of the management of the karta are absolute. Full stop. He can manage or mismanage the property, family, affair, and business any away he like, and cannot be questioned by anyone. Full stop. He cannot be liable for positive failure. He cannot be liable for positive failure. Full stop. He can discriminate between the family member. Full stop. Whoever he cannot deny maintenance. He cannot deny maintenance or occupation of the property to any member. Right to income or emuration. REMUN. Emuration and expenditure. Right to represent joint family. The karta represent the family in the legal, religions, and social matter. Full stop. When a specific suit is filed by the family in any court, the particular The particular suit is filed in the name of the karta, and also when there is a suit against the family. Suit against the family. The specific name is that of the karta in the court. Full stop. This act are binding on the member of the family. Binding on the member of the family. Full stop. The family does not have corporate existence. It act only through its karta. Full stop. The expectation from the karta is that in a matter of litigation, full stop, he must show extreme level of the seniority and effort. Full stop. If due to any such lack, the litigation matter is lost. The family cannot take up this in excuse for the degree to not be binding upon him. Full stop. Compromise. Power of the compromise. The karta can compromise dispute regarding the family property and in it is management, family debate as well as the other transaction. Full stop. A malified 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 compromise done by karta can be challenged in a partition. Full stop. The karta can even compromise a suit pending in a court and the member will be bound by it, and whoever situation is different for the minor, and in minor co-partner can be use the civil procedure code whereby the compromise has to be proved by the court if one of the party is in a minor. Power to refer a dispute to the arbitration. Power to refer to a dispute to arbitration. Arbitration. The karta can be referred in a dispute to arbitration if he want. Full stop. If the award is valid, it become binding all member of the joint family. Power to the contract debate. Okay. Power to the contract debate. Loan on the promissory note. Power to enter into the contract. Power of the alienation. Of the joint property. Power of alienation of joint property. No individual member of a co-partner has the power to alienate joint family property without the consent of all other members. Full stop. Whoever the Dharma Shastra Dharma Shastra recognizes that in some circumstance a member has the power to dispose of the joint family property. The Mitaksara law, MITA, 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 KSH, KS, K, MITA, KSHARA, Mitaksara, MITA, MITA, KSHARA, Kasra. Mitaksara law in this aspect has over the year been modified on the following two facets. This power can only be exercised by the karta. KARTA, karta. Exercised by the karta. This power can be only be exercised by the karta and no other members. Joint family property cannot be alienated. Joint family property cannot be alienated for any reason other than the following three. The joint family property cannot be alienated for any reason. The joint family property cannot be alienated for any reason other than the following three. Apathical, apathical legal necessary can be varied, and it is not possible to define it define it precisely. Full stop. Basically, it include all things deemed necessary for the family member. Full stop. It whoever needed to be so that the alienation of the property was for the satisfaction of such has a need in the D Krishna versus Ram Krishna 2002 Raj 370. The Karta under the influence of the one other member of the joint Hindu family mortgage 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 and sold the property for the illegal purpose of the marriage of the two minor daughter. Full stop. Their contention con, contention contention was contention was that the fact was done in the furthercation of a legal necessity. Full stop. The court in this case held that the act was done in furthercation of unlawful purpose, and as the act was in intervention in contravention हो गया contravention of the child marriage restraint act 1928, and it was not a lawful alienation. It was not a lawful alienation. कुटुंब कुटुंब अर्थ कुटुंबार्थ कुटुंब KUTUM कुटुंब Barth BARTH Barth. Anything done for the benefit of the Hindu joint family property constitute a benefit of the estate. Full stop. The Supreme Court has observed that it is also include anything done for the positive benefit. Full stop. The basic test is a things but a precedent person would do for this property. Dharm, Dharmatham DHARMAM Dharmatham religion obligation and consist performance of act which are of a religion pinois PINOUS or charitable nature. Full stop. This include all dispensable duty like SRA Sarda Upanian UPANANYN Sarda Upanayan SRADH Sarda Upanayan UPANANYN Upanayan Sarda Upanayan, and the performance of any other necessary sanskar 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 for the furthercation of which the karta may be alienate the whole property. Full stop. The power of the alienation for the charitable for PCOS purpose is only a portion of the property, movable or immovable. Alienation for the above three purposes is binding on all family members, even minors. Full stop. Alienation for any purpose other than the three state above is not void. Not void. Full stop. It is voidable at the instance of any one of the co-partner. Any one of the co-partner. COPARPARCENER's co-partner. Full stop. This was decided by the Guwahati High Court. Guwahati GWAHATI Guwahati High Court in the CIT versus Gandhinagar Sanskara Gangadhar Sanskara Family Trust 1983 Guwahati, where the court held that the transfer not for the purpose of the legal necessity or benefit of the estate is voidable, not valid, not void up, not void up initiative, not void up initiative liability of a karta, not void up initiative liability of a karta, not void ab initiative liability of a karta. The most basic duty of a karta is to be provide food, shelter, clothing extra to the member of the joint family. Full stop. This cervical responsibility including maintenance Maintenance all co-partner COPARCEN here co-partner from the head of the family to the junior most members have the inherited right to maintenance full stop. It is the responsibility of the karta to maintain all of the member of the family full stop. If the unjustly exclude a member from the getting maintenance over, if he does not maintain a member property, he can be sued for both the maintenance and errands of the maintenance. Marriage the karta is responsible for each unmarried member marriage, especially the marriage of the daughter, since it qualifying as sacrosanct SACRO sacrosanct sacrosanct duty in the Hindu law. Full stop. The expansion of the marriage is taken out of the joint family property. Full stop. If the expansion are met extremely they must be reimbursed. REIM reimbursed out of the joint family funds. Third, count at the time of the partition. Partition bring the joint family states to in and full stop in under mitaksara MITA KSHAR mitaksara law. It means servants of the status and interest. It is an individual decision wherein a member want to serve himself from the joint family and enjoy in undefined and unspecified share respect. Actually division of property. Actually division of property हो गया. Actually division of property representation. The karta is the sole representative of the family. Vasa the government as well as all other outsider. Full stop. All other full stop हो गया. Joint Hindu family and Hindu co-partner the mitaksara MITA KSHARA mitaksara. The mitaksara joint family is a unique contribution of the Hindu law which has no parallel in any ancient or modern system of the law. Where whatever the SCE may say about the future of the HJF, it has been and still continue to be fundamental aspect of the life of Hindus. Life of Hindus. Mitaksara co-partnery. A single person cannot form a co-partnery. Cannot form a co-partnery. Cannot form a co-partnery. Cannot form a co-partnery हो गया.